How to log into your Fiverr account using QR code. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to easily log into your Fiverr account on a different device using the QR code. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up Fiverr on your main device, which is most probably your phone. And once you do that, you will see different tabs at the bottom like chat, calls, explore, and then more. You just want to head over to the more section. What you want to do now is tap on the QR icon at the top right corner to open up your camera and scan the QR code on your different device's screen. Once you open up your camera, you just want to point it to the QR code and you will be directly logged into your Fiverr. You will also have an option to sync your chat history, so just go ahead and tap on sync to bring out all of your chats on your Fiverr desktop. And it's as easy as that. Now just tap on sync right here and you will be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.